Alright, today we're going to try something a little different, new real-time video. I just picked up this holiday camper van from Target today. It went for 15 bucks, 190 pieces. One of the big reasons I wanted it is because for my stop motion I wanted a little baby. And this comes with it, a little bottle too. Let's see which camera picks it up. Hopefully one of them did. Here we go. So, bag 2, we got bag 1, and the instructions, which is quite thick for being 190 pieces. A couple stickers, it looks like the branding of the RV, Caravan Deluxe, and the license plate. Alright. So that's to the side. Alright, let's get started. Hopefully I'm moving this stuff in a place where you guys can see what I'm building. Alright, so bag 1 builds the base and the people. Number 2 builds the top of the van, as you can see here. Little baby holder, it's nice. We're going to change this up a little bit. They always make the woman carrying the baby. In this video, the man carries the baby. The woman is going to be doing photography. Here we go. We'll keep our normal clothes on though, because that shouldn't matter. Yes. Cool. Alright. There she is. Now let's build this guy with a little baby carrier. Where's his hat? Here's his hat. Of course, you gotta be carrying a bottle. As a father, I know how often those come in handy. Look how tiny the head is for the baby. Wait, oh, wow, that is small. That is the size of a baby versus the guy. That is pretty cute. Once again, I don't know which video will actually pick this up. Hopefully it's coming in focus. We'll leave that right there. And now we're building the little cooker for the ground. Pretty straightforward. Looks like we're cooking an egg in it. Excuse me. There we go. A little camper. A little propane cooker. Oh, and a croissant. Because why not? Alright, now we're going to build the important part. Now we start building the RV. Get the axles in there. The blue. Gray. I wonder how these colors are going to show. Hopefully they show on the outside. If this was a time-lapse video, I'd probably look at the box and find out, because it wouldn't seem like much time. But since it's real time, I don't want to waste everyone's time. This is much less of a speed build. I have to remember not to use that tag on this build because Compared to the other ones, this will not be fast at all. Whoa, that's not it. Okay, with that. Okay. Looks like a hitch. Perhaps I'll have to do a custom build to put a little trailer on it. That could be a good video to follow up with. Red and blue, or blue and green. Yellow, green. Tail light stuff. Now for the wheels. Oh, you might hear my dog making some noise. There are kids outside. And this is how he reacts every time. Hopefully he quiets down. Got the yellow wheelbarrow, or wheel. It's a B word. Can't think of it right now. 16. I found out with Lego, back in the day when I was first building, which was 30 plus years ago, there was always a piece missing. There was always a piece that I really needed. Like I got a castle once, and the prison door, which was like a very unique piece at the time, didn't actually show up. So I was always kind of angry about that. Not angry, but disappointed that I never got to finish that castle, because that door that was probably the most fanciest of that building just didn't show up. And back then it was, I mean, this was early 90s, maybe late 80s even. So they didn't have things like Bricklink or other websites for just buying the pieces you need. Am I missing something here? Oh, I already put that one down. Okay. But Lego's come a long way, and I am happy for it. It's nice being back. I'm curious how long people have been building for. Is this a lifetime hobby? Or do a lot of people like me kind of leave and come back? Coffee maker, nice. With a soda can next to it. Okay, we'll buy it. This, 2 seats I need. This looks like a little dining room table. The food. Strawberry and a donut looks like. So we're gonna put this here, this here. The seat sits right here. So this must go here and here. Easy peasy. Okay. Throw this here. This looks like there's gonna be 3 blocks in front of it, or 3 studs. Steering wheel, pretty important. Brake lights, parking lights. Voila. Oh, don't forget the coffee cup for the driver. And the odometer. Alright, so this is bag 1. As we expected, the base of the car. The part I found with my other car when I did the Marvel van from Ant-Man is there's little holes right here. So if you try to just like to hide stuff in the van, as you start moving, they start just falling out if they're small enough, which is kind of a bummer when you don't expect it. All right, back to it sounds like my other camera just died on me. So, we're down to this one. Here we go. Another one of these and one of these. Let's get some glass on here. Cool. Window. Alright, this one needs sticker 1. Get a little branding down. Alright, another one in a window. Alright, now we hold them down. Hold down the fort. Alright, now we're building, looks like this side of the window, or side wall, I guess you could say, of the van that pops out. And more branding. Oh, come on. There we go. Number 50. That's that side. All right, we got that side of the vehicle in. Now, yay, some doors. Of course, it'd be really skinny to squeeze out of these little doors. Maybe that little baby could do it. Nice. always fun, just the minor details like the headlights. Where, you know, I probably would have done a flat light where they have the nice slope, the transparent yellow slope. It's a nice touch. Part of the reason I wanted to get back into building sets was just to learn different ways of doing things. When you custom build with just your knowledge of, 30 years ago, you're very limited on what you can do and how you do it. Alright, now the sleeper section. Your dreams are created. It's getting close. Turn it over and put it on top. Yeah. Last sticker. Good. I like the looks of the stickers, but boy, do I get nervous putting them on crooked. Nothing worse than a crooked sticker. Is that right? Apparently so. Doesn't feel right, but. Oh no. Talk about a misplaced sticker. What was it telling me to do over here? Oh, it just told me to turn it over. Talking about a misplaced sticker. Put it on the wrong piece. Totally jinxed myself on that one. I deserve it. That makes more sense. Now this goes on top. Ooh, I wonder if that gap is supposed to be there. I feel like this piece is supposed to be probably on the bottom here. Oh, whether it's not, it needs to be. It is now. There we go. Now the gap is gone. Now we can put some tires on this thing. That video is probably a lot longer than I was expecting, but you will go back and fast forward some parts. This is the holiday camper van. A couple extra pieces, and then what we have here is we have the ability to lay them down here. That's kind of like the pillows and the sleeping bag. On the picture they have actually closing on them, but that looks really uncomfortable and claustrophobic, so we're not going to do that. What we can do though is put them inside. We have her just make it so you can see. I think it's big enough to not fall through the cracks. Go. Put her in first. All right, you sit there. Put your camera somewhere. Put your camera, there we go. Perfect. And then, can you sit with the baby? Oh, close enough. Close enough. There we go. Then we have the cookware. I'm not sure where cookware is supposed to go. We'll put that on top. I like when sets can kind of just stay together. How's this? Oh no. That was a close call. Yeah. No one's driving now. Alright, Mom. You get up there and drive. I don't think anyone wants to drive because there's no actual chairs up there. It's just this comfortable looking thing. So here we go. This is, I already said it once and twice, holiday camper van. Got the inside. You got the stuff on the back, stuff on the front. Kind of typical. I like the pieces. Looks really nice. Close the top. Oops. Oh, another thing in the back. There's a gap there. Oh, that's where that piece is supposed to go. So this piece that I put here is supposed to go over here. I am making a mess of this thing. This is why I do the fast forwards. Alright, so that closes that gap. But what doesn't make sense is why does this have to be round and why does it have to be a flat tile? I don't know. But that brings us back to having this. Maybe that's the ventilation? I don't know. Whatever it is. Good enough. Put the egg back in there. What are these pieces? Hey, an extra egg. Throw that in there too. What's the pink one? Strawberries. Let's just take all the food with me. And then the rest can go up on the wall. All right. I am going to overlay this now with some images of the van so you can get a little closer look in case this picture is not very good. I do appreciate you coming by again. This was episode 8, I believe, when we get around to making the video. For the holiday camper van, 190 pieces, it was $15.99. Yeah, easy build, some good pieces. I got the baby now, so I'm pretty excited about that with the little baby bottle. So lots to do. Yeah, thanks again for stopping by.